Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to get to Ed to see your stories in ReadyHub. So you're going to log into your ReadyHub and you're going to scroll down until you find Ed, and it is over here and it has a smiley face on it. And you're going to click on this. And once you click on it, it's going to log you in. You won't have to log in. Now, whenever you get here, you don't have to do much except on the top, you can click the word assignments. And here I will share all of the stories that I have for you. And you'll just click the button. And when you come here, it'll go to the beginning of the story. And if you want to hear it, you can click the button at the top with the microphone. It says play audio. You press that, it'll play. And then when you're ready for the next page, you click the arrow on the side and you can click to play this page too. When you are done, then it will give you a choice to say that you're done or that it'll tell you that you finished. It doesn't really matter unless I give you an assignment here. But I do want you to know how to get to this. So don't forget, go to ReadyHub, click on Ed, and when you get there at the top, click on Assignments.